And welcome back. Second half action now. 24 hours after the Reggae Boys played to a 1-1 draw with the United States, there is still debate over Damian Lowe's disallowed goal in the 84th minute, which would have potentially earned them 3 valuable points. More in this report.
If key moments determine the results of games, then Bobby Reid's horrendous effort may go down as one of the most important of the campaign for the Reggae Boys. But he didn't score.
And this is the chance that Bobby Reid should have put away.
However, Damian Lowe did, well, not to Costa Rican referee Juan Gabriel Calderon. This 84th minute header was disallowed as Lowe was adjudged to have committed a foul on U.S. defender Walker Zimmerman. But even at closer inspection, it's difficult to see why. Former Reggae boy Ricardo Bibi Gardner took to social media and posted, quote, "I think every World Cup qualifying game should have VAR. Goal or no goal. Goal for me all day," end quote. Former national youth coach Andrew Edwards added, "Even Stevie Wonder saw that was a good goal," end quote. But let's not just take it from them. CBS Sports and Paramount Plus crew, including former US players Clint Dempsey, Mo Edu, Charlie Davis, Onguchi Onyeyu, and Brianna Scurry, gave their view on the disallowed goal.
I think it's a goal. He jumped straight up. The arm is not extended. If you look, he's bringing it up just to protect him, and it's bent. There's no pushing off. There's no extension of the arm. For me, that is a goal.
The only other way that they could think he could jump is if his hands are behind his back, which you're definitely not going to do in any capacity. So for me, you're jumping, you need that elevation, you need that kind of momentum. I don't think he pushed Walker Zimmerman.
What helped him was
so you also think it's a goal?
I think it's a goal,
what helped
for sure.
him was his timing, the fact that he got up there first and he was above him first. So by getting in that position, he was already in a better place to get that header. So for me, we got lucky on that.
You thought it was a goal?
I think it was.
I agree.
The panel also got the opinion of former FIFA referee and instructor Christina Uncle.
The preferred decision here is no foul. Many of you guys hit it on the head. We have a cross, we got a corner coming on this. It's just a natural movement for all the players to be fighting for and jockeying for position here. You know, the one thing I can give for the referee is here, being 2 steps to the left, I don't think allows him to be directly on. Yes, he's there, but I don't think he allows him to fully appreciate that it's not a full extension of the arm pushing through that player, right? Pushing through Zimmerman to appreciate, is this the type of foul that we want at this level for the impact of taking that goal back out of the net? I think the preferred decision is no.
Calderon's decision might not have only cost the Reggae Boys 2 points, but also World Cup qualification and the job of coach Theodore Whitmore. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.